Redbubble is one of the best print-on-demand sites. It allows you to sell your artwork and designs by printing them on clothing, stickers, bags, pillows, and more. It does not matter if you are an artist or not, you can make designs on online websites like Canva, and can make a decent amount of money even with text-based designs. If you do it properly and follow a few steps, you can earn a decent side income. And the best part is that it's zero risk, you don't have to pay to upload designs, and only get paid once you make a sale. So, there is no harm in giving yourself a chance, right? Here are my 8 tips for you to make more money on Redbubble, based on my experience. 1. Social media marketing. Promoting your designs on social media is one of the best way to get more customers. And if you have an audience, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media platform, that would be best. People who promote their designs on social media are more likely to make a sale than people who don't. You can share images of your work on these platforms. You can download the images from Redbubble or use mockups from playseat.net. 2. Properly tagging your work. Tags on Redbubble is probably the most important aspect of a successful shop. Promoting your designs can get you temporary sales, but if you want to make consistent and regular sales, and want your designs to appear on first pages in search results, you have to apply proper tags to your designs. You can find relevant tags by searching main keyword for your design on Redbubble. You can find more tags by scrolling at the end of the page. Also, check out the tags on designs on first page. But, do not do tag spamming, it is wrong, and can get your shop in trouble. 3. Make trending designs. The most common way to make quick sales is by uploading designs on trending keywords. You can see trending searches by clicking on search bar. You can also search for trending keywords relevant to your niche by typing keyword relevant to your niche in search bar. Also, you can use Google Trends and other tools to see what type of designs are trending, and then design according to them. 4. Find a niche. If you want your customers to visit your shop regularly and frequently, it is best to have a niche-specific shop. If you have interest in a particular topic, it's better to choose that topic as a niche, because you will have an idea what type of designs will sell better, and what's trending in your niche right now. Also, you can promote niche-specific designs in relevant Facebook groups, and your friends with same interest, so it's always more beneficial to have a niche-specific shop. 5. Customize your profile. Customizing your Redbubble profile can make a big difference in your sales. Make your shop look attractive for your customers. Your customers should have an idea of what your shop is about, at the first glance. Your cover photo plays an important role in the look of your shop. So make sure that it looks attractive enough. 6. Make designs that people want to buy. Always remember, the first and most important rule for making sales on Redbubble, or any other platform, is to make designs that people actually want to buy. No matter how well you apply tags to your design, or how much you promote your design, if your design is not good enough, no one will buy it. A design with poor tagging has chance of making sales, but a design not good enough don't. 7. Patience. Good things take time. You may not get enough traffic or sales at first, but don't get discouraged by it. The first few months will probably be slow, so don't give up and keep creating and uploading. You will learn with time, and if you will be persistent enough, you will surely establish a proper income stream for yourself, in times to come. 8. Profit margins. One of the advantages of selling on Redbubble is that you can control your profit margins. The default profit margin for all products is 20% of base price. However, once you grow your sales, you can increase the profit margins. Especially for stickers, I have the profit margin of 100% for all stickers, and still get regular sales. You can experiment with these things, because the things that worked for others, may not work for you. So, that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something. I wish you all the best for your Redbubble journey, and I'm sure that you'll make it. Goodbye. Take care.